I'm Steve Pugh, Ibstock PLC, and I'm the New Product Development Technical Manager. My role is to develop new products for the construction industry. So from the chocolate concrete activity, you should now have an understanding of the different materials that go into concrete, and also how adjusting the different proportions of those materials in the mix can affect the strength and performance. Concrete technology is extremely important for the world because it's been around since the Egyptian times. It can be moulded into almost any shape and is extremely strong and durable. We know it has a fairly poor environmental impact, but we're constantly working to try and reduce this. The next steps, if you want to pursue a career in the construction products industry, science, technology and maths subjects will give you a really good grounding and help you understand some of the science that we use. You can apply directly to companies and start as a technician. You can also go through the apprenticeship scheme and get paid to learn while you earn. And there are also opportunities to go to university, follow certain courses, and then apply to companies via the graduate schemes. For the future, Ibstock have planned to significantly reduce their impact on the environment and plan to be carbon neutral by 2040. We've also set up a futures division which has been designed to accelerate growth in innovation and new materials. Hopefully next time you see a concrete wall or a bridge or other structure, you'll have some idea of the science and technology that goes into making it.